Listen, if you want to become wealthy, you must master one radical shift. Stop spending like a consumer. Start investing like a creator. Wealth is not about how much money you make, but about how that money behaves after it leaves your hands. Stay until the end because the final key will flip your finances into turbo growth mode. Most people spend money to feel good today and wake up broke tomorrow. But the wealthy make every dollar ask a question. Will you grow or will you disappear? Because money can do one of two things: vanish or multiply. The poor buy liabilities, things that drain. The rich buy assets, things that pay them back. Phone upgrades? Gone. Impulse shopping? Gone. Sneakers you only wear twice? Gone. But education, skills, investments, digital assets, they return with interest. Ask yourself, is this purchase making me richer or just making someone else richer? Money is a soldier. If you send it to war with no mission, it won't come back. But if you give it a target and a purpose, victory becomes inevitable. Millionaires don't cut coffee. They invest the profit from coffee businesses. They don't avoid spending. They turn spending into revenue. Instead of asking, how much does it cost? They ask, how much will this make me? That one question changes everything. Hey, future millionaire! If your brain just upgraded to Millionaire OS, smash that like button like you're smashing your old money habits. Comment this power decree. Every dollar I spend multiplies and returns with friends. And share this video with the word profit. Because when you share abundance, the universe becomes your business partner. Most people work for money. The wealthy make money work for them, even when they sleep. If your income depends only on your time, then you are trapped. Your freedom begins the moment your money earns more than your alarm clock. Here's your new rule book. 1. Track every dollar like it's an employee. 2. Redirect spending into assets, skills, businesses, investments, royalties. 3. Reinforce the cycle. Earn, invest, multiply, repeat. Do this for 6 months, and you won't even recognize your life. If your mindset grows, your bank account must follow. It's not magic. It's math powered by consciousness. Abundance is not outside. It is your identity waiting to be activated. Every dollar you touch is energy choosing a direction. You decide whether it becomes dust or legacy. From now on, you are the investor. And your money? Your loyal team of multipliers. This video didn't find you by accident. It found you because your millionaire era has officially begun. So activate the bell and watch every video on Money Mastery X. Each one designed to reprogram your financial destiny. And get ready, because our next video reveals the hidden rule millionaires use to force money to grow faster. You can't miss it. Your empire is already forming. Now it's time to scale.